Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're cozying up with a classic dish that's perfect for those chilly days or anytime you are in need of some comfort food. A creamy, hearty stew that's bound to become a favorite. Let's get started! First, let's prepare our veggie and chicken. Chop the onions, carrot, potatoes, and chicken into bite-sized pieces. Next, heat some salad oil in a pot and start stir-fry your ingredients. Once the chicken turns white, add water to the pot. Bring it to a boil, skimming off any foam that forms, then lower the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until everything is nicely cooked through. After your ingredients are tender, turn off the heat. It's time to add the creamy stew mix. Break it into the pot and stir until it's completely dissolved. Then pour in the milk and simmer on low heat for another 5 minutes until the stew thickens beautifully. Once the stew has thickened and all the ingredients are cooked perfectly, you are done. This dish goes wonderfully with rice or bread. The choice is yours. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, a deliciously creamy stew that's as comforting as it is satisfying. Whether you're new to Japanese cooking or looking to expand your repertories, this recipe is a simple way to bring taste of Japan into your meals. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumb up, share it with your friend, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!